I'm here with cattle rancher Vivian. So, Vivian, how long have you been a cattle rancher for?
About 7 years now.
So for 7 years, you've been mindlessly cutting down the rainforest for what?
My cattle.
And what profit does that bring you?
Burger King. And money.
Why does Burger King buy it off of you? For what?
Soybeans.
The green over here is the trees that we can see from space. But the brown is the bad deforestation that illegal people are doing to the forests. Here we go.
Breaking news. I'm here in front of the Amazon rainforest. As you can see, people are burger cattle. And that's killing everything in those trees, everything in the ground, everything above. The rainforest is 1% of our air in the world. And if we cut that down, we're losing oxygen.
Welcome back to Channel 7 News.
This is the deforested land.
And this is what's being produced out of the deforested land.
Cattle ranchers are cutting down the Amazon rainforest to raise their cattle.
And selling it to companies like Burger
I'm
King.
here in the Amazon rainforest. Cattle ranchers have been cutting down the rainforest so their lives will be better and that they will make more money. They have donors who are supporting them, like Burger King, who gives them money for their cattle.
Local cattle ranchers are teaming together to cut down the rainforest. They do this in numerous ways, using the usual way, cutting down trees. Then they burn it down. You can see the deforestation. Since 1975, and the rainforest has changed a lot. There's a lot of the forest in the land. It has gotten worse since 1975 to 2010. If you look at these pictures, you can see how much it has changed.
I'm back here at Channel 7. Oh my god, what am I kidding? I quit. Somebody get me some hamburgers. I'm done with this job. I hate it. Nope.
Technical difficulties here. Commercial break.
Thank you for watching Channel 7 Moves. We'll come back tomorrow.